The Zero Belly Diet is a groundbreaking approach to weight loss that has gained popularity for its incredible results. This diet is designed to specifically target the fat cells in our bodies, resulting in significant weight loss and a flatter belly. The secret behind the Zero Belly Diet lies in its focus on eliminating foods that can trigger inflammation and cause weight gain. By cutting out processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, this diet helps to reduce inflammation levels in the body, which is the root cause of many health problems, including weight gain. The Zero Belly Diet also emphasizes the consumption of foods that have been proven to promote fat loss. These include nutrient-dense fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains. These foods help to boost metabolism, increase energy levels, and promote a feeling of fullness, making it easier for individuals to stick to the diet and achieve their weight loss goals. Not only does the Zero Belly Diet lead to rapid weight loss, but it also improves overall health. By reducing inflammation, this diet has been shown to lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Additionally, it helps to improve digestion and gut health, leading to better nutrient absorption and a stronger immune system. The Zero Belly Diet is not just a short-term solution for weight loss, but a lifestyle change that promotes long-term success. It encourages individuals to make healthier food choices and adopt a more active lifestyle. The diet provides delicious and satisfying meal plans, recipes, and tips to help individuals stay on track and reach their weight loss goals. In conclusion, the Zero Belly Diet offers an amazing approach to weight loss by targeting fat cells, reducing inflammation, and improving overall health. With its emphasis on whole, nutritious foods and a balanced lifestyle, this diet is a sustainable and effective way to shed pounds and achieve a flatter belly.